All right, y'all. This is gonna be posted to my other channel as well. So, yeah. So if you guys happen to see that on my other channel, if you watch my other channel, I mean, and this flips back and forth from my boutique channel to my, I call it my spams channel. I just came up with that. So right now, I'm conditioning my hair because I'm going to do a demo of the product that I am about to share. So before we go get into it, I got a cap, oh geez, a plastic cap under this because I'm conditioning my hair for the sake of the demo at the end of the video, or yeah, whatever. Well, the second segment of the video. So, so I just want to share, you guys, if you haven't seen, I don't know, I ain't even looked to see if there was any reviews on here. I heard there was one review, but here. So I went to pick up, something from Ulta, something. Okay, and this, yes. So I went to pick up this baby right here, which is the Hot Tools Professional Stylist Preferred. Okay, it's the One Step Pro Blowout Styler. That's what this is. Okay, this is yeah, 24 karat gold refresh art activated charcoal. And I was going to opt for the Revlon one because it was cheaper, but usually Hot Tools usually gets the results that I prefer. And I mean, I had a Revlon hair dryer and it did the job, but the Hot Tools, I don't know, it's something about these products. They are really, truly, I think they are really good for a lot of stylists. I can't say that. I mean, it has a 7-year limited warranty, so I believe it's worth it. So I paid $80 for this. It's listed as $80. I will link it below, of course, because I know I can give y'all faulty information sometimes because I don't be paying attention like I should. I blame it on my job, y'all. So anyway, so it's supposed to, I'm just going to read out. It's supposed to have negative ions to reduce frizz and static for healthy looking shiny hair. It's a soft, flexible, combined nylon pin, board, tuft, detangling bristles, gently grip hair to minimize breakage while creating volume and shine. 24 karat surface, gold surface, provides even heat distribution, is ideal for all hair types. Consistent heat helps create long lasting styles. And it has great reviews on Ulta. So I said, hell, I'll give it a shot, see what's popping with this. So this is the Hot Tools. Okay, like I said, I will link it below if you are interested in this. But other than that, stay tuned for my little demo. I don't know how this demo is gonna turn out, you guys, but I'm gonna do my best so y'all can see the after result after I do, because I'm gonna do one part of my hair, so just to give y'all a gist of how it works. And then after that, you know, go from there. But anyway, so here we go. And oh, well, let me take it out the box and let y'all see it before it gets demoed. Okay, let's try from this side. Take it out the bucket. I said the bucket, Lord. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all see it. When I take it actually out this package, I'm gonna let y'all see it without the plastic on. Just because, okay? Because I wanna, you know, kind of preserve it just because of this, the head of it. So just to let y'all just see what's popping with this. And it has a little card in there and 7-year warranty information, all that good stuff. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, y'all stay tuned. Peace. so this is basically the final result. I didn't do like bone straight hair like I could have, but yeah, this is the end result. And let me tell y'all, oh my gosh, I am freaking in love with this thing. This thing, it is easy to handle. You think it's heavy, looking at it, it's like, you think it's like super heavy. You think it's super heavy, but it's not. It's really not. The thing is, it's like this handle is kind of it's pretty light, you know. The only thing I do not like, and this is kind of, it's very trivial, but the only thing I don't like about this thing is, of course, the brush is you're gonna get hair, and it's kind of harder to clean this as opposed to like a blow dryer brush, a traditional blow drying brush. But other than that, you know, see, taking up hairs. So pretty much like I don't really have anything bad to say about this. So your hair does turn out to be very shiny, and this is basically what you get for $80. And like I said, I will link it below. I got mine from Ulta, and it's just this. I'm glad I made this choice for this, because this is absolutely wonderful. And let me show y'all. I don't know if I showed the settings on my last clip, but you see the settings. You have off, cool, low, and high. I put mine on low. I know if I would have put it on high, and I don't really want to put it on high a lot, because I mean, even though it's a 7-year warranty, limited warranty on this, I still, and register your blow dryer too, your styler too. But yeah, you guys, I put mine on low, and if I would have put it on high, it would have blown my hair pretty much bone straight. But I don't like to put too much heat on my hair, because I know sometimes I go overboard, especially with the flat iron. So yeah, this is like the end result. This is not the best. I just had to hurry up and do something, because like, yeah, guys, today's my birthday. It's April 2nd, and happy birthday to me. But anyway, yep. So, that's basically what it is, you guys. And that is the Hot Tools Professional one-stop blow dryer. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video a little helpful, and like and subscribe. That'll be so much appreciated, and peace and blessings. I love y'all.